So we was gonna use this camera, and I haven't used it in so long, so it ended up going dead. So back to the GoPro. So what is going on, family? This your boy Ed, back out here with Black Knight, doing our thing. Of course, y'all know we got our coffee this morning, and this is fresh from the house. Can't be fresh coffee from the house. Been a while since we've been out here with Black Knight. Last time we was with our club, No Limit Mustang Club. We went down there and did some filming with their cars and everything, and had a great time. So it's been a good while. So Black Knight been sitting for almost about a month and a half. Haven't been crunk or anything. So we're going to Cars and Coffee this morning and see what we can see out there. Of course, y'all can see it's kind of cold, but you know, of course, we always go to things. We don't stop because it's cold or if it's raining or stuff like that. Try not to drive Black Knight in the rain, but because it's hard to get it back clean. But other than that, we do our thing. So we're gonna put this coffee down. We're gonna get a cold start for y'all. Grab this camera, and like I said, it's been a while, so we're gonna give y'all a good cold start. Get back here and give y'all a good cold start. Like I said, it's been a while for the bad boy being crunk up, but crunk right up. I keep on the charger, but keep him on the charger. That way he can crank right on up with no problem. And like I said, it sounded real good. So other than that, y'all, we're gonna get the Cars and Coffee before it end up closing, and we'll see y'all there on the GoPro.
Purchase your tracks today.
Hobby, do this.
Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today.
Hobby, do this.
Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today.
Hobby, do this.
Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today.
Hobby, do this.
family. This is your boy Ant back on the scene again, doing that great things with Black Knight and doing great things with other cars enthusiasm. I hope y'all like the video and or the vlog, whatever you call it, of Cars and Coffee or whatever I'm posting, the car show, because that's what we do here on the channel over here at Black Knight. We post other cars, our cars, show them terrific things that people do to their cars and everything. So I hope y'all like it. Don't forget to smash that like button. Don't forget to share. And also don't forget to subscribe. And if you see that little gray button on the side, make sure you hit that little gray button. That lets you know notifications that when I post and everything. I also like to thank my subscribers already for the love and support. I really appreciate y'all love and support y'all show it on the channel. And also, if you're a new subscriber, like I said, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can get some great content. Other than that, we're glad to have y'all on the channel and you know, showing the love and support. And we'll keep bringing y'all great videos. This your boy. I'm out here. Peace.
656